A girlfriend tells me I should get vaccinated against whooping cough before I have my baby.
She's right, Rachel. The whooping cough vaccine is recommended during the last 3 months of each pregnancy.
It doesn't hurt the baby?
No, and your body will make antibodies and pass them on to your baby. It's the best way to protect her against whooping cough early in life.
Whooping cough is a serious disease, especially for infants. Get the vaccine during pregnancy. Protect your baby before it's born. Call 866-681-5872 for more information.